let us now go to the example 1.8. Okay, let me read the sum for you. So the voltage across a wire is 100 plus or minus 5 volt, and the current passing through it is 10 plus or minus 0.2 amperes. Find the resistance of the wire. Okay, so let's see how to do this. A wire is actually a resistor only. Okay, so it's like a resistor, and they give us a voltage across it. That's V is given, and the current flowing through this I is also given here. Okay, we must find the resistance. It's very simple. First we'll write what is given for us. So voltage, that is V is equal to, okay, voltage V is equal to, that is we get 100 plus or minus 5 volt. Okay, this is of the form V plus or minus delta V. Okay, that form here. Then current we know. The current, that's I is equal to, they given here, that is 10 plus or minus 0.2 amperes. Okay, this is the form I plus or minus delta I. Okay, I'll write this down here, okay, to prevent confusion. So this will be I plus or minus delta I. Okay, so let us see what will be the resistance here. We must find the resistance. Okay, resistance is given by R, question mark. So use Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. Okay, so using Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I into R. We must find what is R here. So bring this I down. So V by I is equal to R. Rearrange and write R is equal to V by I. Okay, so let us see what is V here. V is 10, 100. Okay, sorry, 100, and then I is 10. So 100 by 10, 0, 0 cancel. So we get here 10 ohms here. Okay, so R is equal to 10 ohms. But in 10th we learned up to here only. But now we learn error also now. We must find the what is the error. Okay, so let's see this now. What will be the error here? So we use a form here, formula. Okay, that we learned now. That is delta Z by Z is equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. Okay, so notice this is a formula for a multiplication or for division also. Okay, so let's see this formula here now. So here delta Z, so we must find the error in our resistance only. So write as, we can change it and write as delta R by R is equal to delta, we can use instead of A we write as V. Okay, delta V by V plus the second one, that is instead of B we have I here, that is delta I by I. Okay, let's substitute the values in right now. So delta V is how much? It is 5 by V is 100. Okay, but even before that, okay, we must find the delta R only now. Okay, we must find delta R. Okay, so what do, we'll cross multiply R upwards here. So we get delta R is equal to delta V by V plus delta I by I into R. Okay, let me take another chalk. So let's substitute and see. Delta V is how much? It is 5 by V is 100. Okay, plus delta I, that is 0.2 by I is how much? I is 10. Okay, into R we got now, that is 10. Okay, so multiply and see this, and first we must do division. Okay, so 5 by 100. Okay, this means 5.0 now. So 100 means you divide by 100 means 2 jumps, 1 jump, second jump. The decimal places jump 2 places, and we get here 0.05 plus 0.2 by 10 is just 1 0 here, so 1 jump towards the left side. So which is 0.02 into 10. Okay, so 0.05 plus 0.02, that will come as 0.07 into 10. Okay, so when you multiply, decimal point will jump to right side. Okay, so we get here 0.7. Okay, so that will be the delta R here. So you must find the true value, that is R is equal to R plus or minus delta R now. Okay, that's the resistance you must find. So what is R here? Okay, R is 10. Okay, 10 plus or minus delta R is 0.7. Okay, so many ohms. So this is the answer we need. Okay, so resistance will be 10 plus or minus 0.7 ohms. So whenever we find the resistance, it can be a little bit higher or a little bit less also. Okay, so we'll find this, you will use this in the 12th also. Okay, when we have a topic on resistors, there we will see how the resistors are marked there. Thank you for watching.